Hey guys, Jake Blow here, the Habitat Pro. We're on property near Bottineau, North Dakota with Jim Ward today. He's got a couple of his guys up. He started on a travel corridor here. That's a historical travel corridor, but you can see a long ways in every direction. Travel corridor before chainsaws. Travel corridor after chainsaws. That's a high ground up there, a hump. They cut a donut around, and the travel corridor keeps on going. This is Jake Blow, the Habitat Pro. We are in northern North Dakota with Jim Ward. Get out and enjoy your woods, guys.